Hi everyone, it's Crafty Mom with 3 sets of twins. I hope you're going to enjoy our channel today, and if you would subscribe, that would be wonderful, and hit the like button and the notification bell, and always remember to be kind to each other, and have a great day. Hey guys, I've got some really quick crafts. These are probably 2 to 3 minute crafts. I got these items at Dollar Tree, and they have these cute clear containers, and they're pretty tall. I also got 2 of them, but I'll be honest with you, I didn't have enough sand, as you'll see as we go along. I have probably 10 of these stems, but I wanted to do 2 of them, but I only got to do 1 because I would need more sand, as you will see. So I'm doing 5 groups of the white roses, and this is so quick and so simple. So if you're having an entertainment, you need to do something really quick, it's nice to have these on hand, where you could just make them really quick and really mess free. There's no glue gun, there's nothing that you have to work with other than, well, right there, a pair of scissors to cut it open. And then you're going to cut the little tags off. But I got these white roses. I think a table looks really pretty with white flowers. I also got some white hydrangeas, but I don't have a pot to put it in yet. So I'm going to be doing probably the hydrangeas, maybe sort of the same way. But they were more expensive. I got them at Hobby Lobby. But I'm just filling this white sand up in this clear container from Dollar Tree. And I love the way it turned out. It's heavy enough that you could set it outside on your patio because it won't tip over. Because the sand, I used, I think 3 or maybe 5 bags. I think you can count along with me. This is number 2. So I think I only bought 4 bags. But this is number 2. And then I put 3 in. So I got 2 of these containers, and I did get 10 of the roses, so it would look so pretty with 2 of these on a table, or 1, because that's all I have. So if you just would have a little small round table, 1 of them would be perfect. So if I ever go back, which I will, I'm going to go back this week and get some more sand, and then I'll show you in another video how it looked. But I just think it turned out so pretty, and it's quick and easy. It's probably 3-minute craft. Probably not a 5-minute craft, probably a 3-minute. But look how pretty that turned out. And it will look so pretty on a table. This whole video is about quick and easy crafts just to put on your table. And like I said, it's heavy enough, it's not going to blow over, so you could put it on your picnic table, your patio table. All right, this is a cute little pig, and I got this little pig at Dollar General, and I've got the little flower at, I believe, either Dollar General or Dollar Tree. And all I've types of jars that are quite pretty. And then I'm just going to pour some rocks around it. I love the way this one turned out too. These are quick. Like I said, you could do more than one. You could do 3 or 4. You could do 5 of them. I'm going to put more rocks in it in a second. You'll see I have to come around. There we go. I actually love the way all of these turned out. And like I said, no glue gun. You don't have to have a lot of talent. Just putting rocks or sand into jars and putting your flowers in there. And this flower was already made because it was from Dollar Tree. It already had a cute little pot. So I even put the white pebbles into the little pot. Next one is from Dollar Tree also. I actually have this white wooden tray. You can use any type of tray that you already have in your house. If you have a metal tray, wood trays, any kind of tray. And I'm just going to use some of the moss that I got from Dollar Tree. I think I got this tray from Dollar General because they had some nice little trays and it was probably like $8 or $9. So if you want to go buy one, you could. You can use an old one that you might already have, but you're just going to spread the moss out and I'm just going to stick the pots in there. Again, this is quick and easy. You know, just get some moss, spread it out. I'm going to come around because I have to walk around my table. And you're just going to fix it so you don't see any of the white. I love the way this turned out. These are like hydrangeas. And I just got 3 of them, but I thought this also turned out very pretty. Quick and easy, pretty. All right, DIY number 6. This is another tray I had, because I do have a lot of trays in my house. And you can do wooden trays again, metal trays. If you have a box, cardboard box, you can also paint it. You can, decorate it with paper. So you can use whatever you have. I have these Christmas lights that I had left over from Christmas. And I'm just going to stick them in my box. This was really a long one too. This wasn't a short one. This I got off of Amazon. All right, so these I got also from Dollar Tree. And I decided to mix the colors because it had like an ivory with pink. Now I am using 5 of them because it's going to make it really full and you won't be able to really see a lot in there. And this one, when you light it up, it is gorgeous, guys. It's gorgeous at night. This also would be good anywhere in your house and outdoors because it lights up so pretty. Then you can play with the lights and get them so you see them all over the place. This one turned out really pretty. Wait till you see it at night. It's absolutely gorgeous. It's just simple. You'll see it at the end with the lights on at night. Okay, this came from Dollar Tree. It's like almost a frosted vase, and I really like these. I was going to do 3 of them, but they only had 2, so I would suggest getting 3 of them. So I'm only going to show you one because I wasn't able to get 3 of them. A lot of times you go to Dollar Tree and you're not able to get everything you need because they're out of them. I'm using the same white roses. And this would be cute for Memorial Day or even 4th of July or even a beach theme. And you're just going to stick them in the jar, and you really, with it being so frosted, you really can't tell when you see through it because it's not a clear piece. So I'm just cutting the little tags off. And I think 3 of these would look really cute, but like I said, I was only able to get 2. If I ever visit another store, maybe I can pick one up. I'm going to add some ribbon, which is more of a nautical theme. It's got the little lighthouses on it. Okay, I also got this little, I guess it sticks in the ground. It's like a little, like, I have to use my wire cutters, but it's like a 4th of July decoration. It's a little star, and you can put this on your tables. If you wanted to fill it with some rocks, you could do that too, so it wouldn't blow over, or even sand. And there they are. I love the way all of these turned out. They're just great ideas, guys, just for something quick and easy, especially like summertime, outdoors. There is the lighted one, which turned out really pretty. There's another one with the hydrangeas. There's my little 4th of July one, or patriotic. These turned out so cute. Like I said, you could do more than one, which I think would make really for a pretty table. And even set these little glass ones into a box, a decorative box. And there's my succulents. There's my little piggy. I do like my little pigs and roosters. I think they look so cute just sitting somewhere in some of your decor for summertime. And there is my flowers at night. Isn't that gorgeous? It turned out so pretty. Look how pretty that would look on a table. I love the way these turned out. So pretty. Thank you so much for watching, and let me share my time with you. And if you would subscribe, I would love that, and hit the like button and the notification bell. And I love you guys. Please watch for my next video. We're thinking of moving, so I've been boxing everything up. So hopefully we will see you in the next video. Love you. Bye.